The floor is a graveyard of broken controllers and caffeine. Standing in the middle of this chaos, I have a razor in one hand and our flagship hoodie in the other. Look, Titan Gush isn't just another damn gaming company. We make the music, we design the merch, and we build the games you actually want to play. But we have a serious problem. The Titans are getting overgrown. And by Titans, I mean the bush. You know, the hair. Look at this. It is a hell of a mess. We are talking about absolute chaos down there. Just look at this pile of foliage. It is out of control. We are immature, we are loud, and we are shaving it all off for the cause. Why? Because the Titan bush needs to be tamed before the next game launch. It is crap, it is itchy, and it is holding us back. We cannot work like this anymore. It is a disaster. Support us. Buy the merch, play the tracks, and help us fund the shave. If you do not help, the bush stays. And nobody wants that kind of disaster. Titan Gush. We are stupid, we are talented, and we are finally cleaning up our act. Now, buy a shirt.